Hello, my name is Terry Treecarton, and today I would like to talk to you a little bit about how we can all use currency in interpretation. I am the docent coordinator at the Siegfried Horn Archaeology Museum. Now I would like you to watch one of our docents in action. Watch how she makes ancient currency relevant and meaningful by connecting the coins to the guests' everyday experiences.
So coins are really important to help archaeologists especially, but also historians with dating a specific site that you're excavating, for example. So if a coin is been able to be dated to a certain time period, and you find that coin on an excavation, we know that that site was most likely occupied at some point during the time that that coin was in use. So three of the coins that we have, for example, are the widow's mite. So this coin is relevant both biblically and historically. It's one of the smallest coins, is the smallest coin that the Jews would have known and used. This coin is what historians believe was used, was the 30 coins that was given to Judas to betray Jesus. And this is made out of silver. So one of the things they had to do with silver coins was they would mark the edges, which you actually see on our modern quarters. And the reason they would do that is because people would shave off the edges and steal some of the silver.
Oh, wow.
And so they actually had to start weighing the coins. Okay. And so if a coin both had lost those edges that were marked, also weighed less than it should have, they'd known that some of the silver had been stolen off the coin, and then it was no longer worth as much as it had been.
So, how can you apply the concept of relevance to your own site? Reach in your pockets and pull out what's there. Do you have any state quarters or national park quarters or any coins or bills of other sites? Here are two examples of coins from the United States. One is a state quarter and one's a national park quarter. No matter what state you are in, you can often find a state quarter or possibly a national park quarter. It helps if you have the state quarter of the state that you're in, but you can plan to use whatever quarter that you have to help guests connect with the relevance of the history and natural resources around them. And you can use currency from all over the world to help guests connect with history or natural resources around them as well. For example, the Canadian toonie or $2 coin has a polar bear on it. And with this, you could help guests connect with the relevance of the polar bear and understand the dangers they experience due to environmental threats. In summary, we all have currency that we can incorporate in the relevance of the interpretation of our community histories and natural resources. What ideas can you come up with a change in your pocket?